This is the unboxing assembly of the 10-inch portable contractor table saw, the R4550 from RIDGID. We want to start by unboxing the upper styrofoam container. We'll be assembling the stand with the saw upside down in the box. For a tip, cut all four sides of the box with a razor blade and lay the box flat on the ground. Assembling the stand. First, remove the nut and outer washer on each side of the pedal assembly. Then attach the wheels and place the washer and nut back on each side. Be sure not to over-tighten the nut. Connect the support spreader bar to the left supporter tube and the right supporter tube with the hex bolts shown in the manual. Attach the support rod connection base into the upper stand assembly. Secure the upper stand assembly to the upper stand support with the 75mm carriage screw, plastic spacer, and the lock nut. With the table saw still in the lower packing tray, attach the stand handle to the tubular base of the saw with a 35mm carriage screw and a lock nut. Attach the leg assembly to the upper leg assembly. Insert the plastic spacer between the legs and secure with a 7mm carriage screw and a lock nut. Install the wheel assembly to the leg assembly. Raise the wheel assembly part of the stand to help align the holes with the leg assembly. Insert the plastic spacer between the legs and secure with a 75mm carriage screw and lock nut. Once the saw is upright, disengage the pedal, push down on the handles until the catch is engaged, and then continue the remaining assembly steps. Insert wheel handle shoulder screw into the height adjustment wheel knob. Tighten shoulder screw with a combination 4mm Allen wrench Phillips screwdriver or Phillips screwdriver into the hand wheel. Unlock the bevel lock and rotate the motor assembly enough to remove the shipping foam protecting the saw motor. This is extremely important, and make sure you don't skip this step. Fence adjustment knob installation. Insert and tighten the hex socket screw through flat washer into the fence adjustment knobs. Make sure the groove in the knob aligns with the rib in the pinion. Installing the blade. Detach the onboard wrenches located on the right side of the saw by loosening and removing the M8 wing nut. Raise the motor arbor assembly to the uppermost position to provide easy access to the riving knife, lock lever, and arbor assembly. Ensure riving knife lock lever is in the unlocked position. Place the blade on the arbor shaft with the teeth on the blade pointing toward the front of the saw. Place the outer blade washer on the arbor shaft with the large side of the washer against the blade, then secure the blade with the assembly nut. Tighten the nut with the blade wrenches. Open end wrench will fit on the arbor shaft between the inner flange washer and the motor assembly, and the closed end wrench will fit on the nut. Anti-kickback PAWLS and blade guard. Every R4550 comes with anti-kickback PAWLS and a blade guard. Refer to the user manual for installation. Installing the fence. The fence can be positioned on one of 3 pairs of tabs, 2 on the right side of the blade and 1 on the left. To engage the fence, hold it at an upward angle while engaging the desired tab pair into the front and rear fence notches. Lower the fence until the 2 latches engage the fence rails. With the R4550's powerful motor and mobile stand, it is perfect for any job site or any contractor. For more information and the whole lineup of RIDGID power tools, visit our website.